Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a Floerns haul. I have been working with Floerns for several years at this point, and as of recent, they have started sending me more fashion pieces, and so I can make a full length YouTube video and show you everything all in one and talk about everything. And yeah, it makes me really happy. And if you like videos like this, go ahead and click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and let's get into it. First off, Floerns never asked me to do any type of YouTube work with them. This is strictly Amazon, like as far as our work relationship. And I decided to do this on my own. So this is hashtag not sponsored, anything like that. I've had 4 of these pieces for a couple of weeks, but I have 2 more that just came in today, and I thought I would go ahead and get this video together and get it ready for you guys. So first off, we're going to talk about this really cute tube top crop top. It has this adorable bow with the pearl detail in the center. We have lace across the top. I'm pretty sure they call this a sweetheart neckline. It is a crop top. It's very short. We also have some faux boning situation going on right here. I think that this is just adorable. I think this is going to be great for Valentine's Day, to be completely honest. And since we are in February, this would be great for Valentine's Day. Next up is a graphic tee, and you may be thinking, Krystal, don't you already have one of those? And I have one similar. Yes, this one is slightly different. So first off, the cut is slightly different. This is more of a baby tee, and her teeth, it shows the canine teeth, which are kind of like vampire-ish, and so this is really cool for streetwear. I really like stuff like this. It's just a little different. But I love different t-shirts like this so that you can just like mix and match and wear with like different type outfits. Like I could put this with a pair of black slacks and some heels and be super cute that way. Or I could throw on a pair of jeans and tennis shoes with it and it would still be just as cute. So I really enjoy pieces like this. And we do have another t-shirt. I actually wanted this one in black, but they didn't have it. So I got the white one. How cute is this with the cherries? It says cherry bomb on it. I freaking love this. We have some lace detail around the neck and on the sleeves and at the bottom hem. And then there's this cute little bow in the center. This is so freaking adorable. I love this. I actually paired it with a pair of jeans and I think like my black leather jacket. I've already done content for it. So this is just what I have. Like, it's coming. It will show up eventually on like shorts or reels or TikTok or whatever. This next piece up I am so excited for. I freaking love it. Actually, I think I'm holding it backwards. Okay, so this is a dress. It's not a full maxi, but it is long. Like, it's in between that midi and maxi length, if that makes any sense. It is a leopard print. We have an asymmetrical neckline with this little elastic piece that just hooks and holds on right here onto your shoulder. We have sheer sleeves. We have ruching on the left side along with a very high slit. Again, I did a really cute reels with this, and it's very simple. Even though leopard print is a neutral, this is still a statement. And I just paired it with a pair of black strappy heels and a black clutch, and it was perfect. Now on to some of the other pieces that just came in. These have not been tried on or anything, obviously. But whenever I saw this online, I thought it was so darn cute. Take me back to primary school, right? Take me back to the preschool days. I freaking love this. Okay, so it's so stretchy. We have a crew neck, and I think this also comes in a slightly different version. I wanted the one that was more primary colors and not the other one. I think the other one had pink in it, if I'm not mistaken, instead of red, but I really wanted the primary colors. I think this is so fun. The only thing that I can see pairing it with in my head right now is a pair of jeans and white sneakers. Like, that is just like, this is the outfit. I am so in love with this. I hope it fits right. And then the last thing for today's haul. Oop, hang on. You got to bear with me on this one. Look better on. It is a dress. Look at the collar. Oh my gosh, so it's an off-the-shoulder dress with a huge bow in the front. Amazing, obsessed. And it is pretty short. It looks like it's probably gonna hit above my knees. So fun. This is definitely going to be Valentine date night worthy. I cannot wait to wear this.
I wanna live your life. I wanna dream your dreams. Lick the moons, catch them stars in the night. Every superpower that is yours will be mine. I'll be that it girl, pouting mouth, crossing the line.